Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make something soft, fun and adorable. A cute rabbit using super clay. Super easy to create. No drawing stress today, just rolling, shaping and lots of smiles. So take out your super clay and clean your hands. Let's shape our little bunny friend together. Ready? Let's start. So guys, while we making something super cute, we have short story for entertainment. As we shape the round head and long ears, imagine a little clay rabbit who was scared of jumping. Although real rabbits could hop fast, but this one moved slowly. One day it met an artist who said, "Everyone moves at their own pace." With every gentle press and shapes, the rabbit felt more confident. Soon it made a tiny hope, then another, and it learned that trying is more important than being perfect. Yes. And look at our adorable clay rabbit, guys. So soft, so cute, and made with love and super clay. If you enjoyed creating with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy clay art and cute creations. Comment below and tell me what clay, animal, or character we should make next. Okay? Till then, keep smiling, keep creating something cute, and keep drawing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye.